नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों। मेरा नाम सूरज है। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑफ रिपेयर माय हैंडसेट। सो टुडे आई विल शो you a new handset. It's iPhone X Plus. You can see this is the new box, new phone, but this is the problem of EMMC. Actually the problem is the logo stuck. Just wait, I will show you. You can see this is the clone handset, not original. This is clone. It's a HDC, high definition copy. So this is the logo stuck problem. So today we will repair the EMMC file we have also. So EMMC repair. First of all, we will try to make old EMMC, just remove that one, and after that we will repair by the UFI box. I mean programming. If it's possible, then okay, otherwise we will change to new MMC. So let's see the video. If you are a new person in this channel, then please subscribe my channel, and if you want to more video want to watch in future this kind of related chip level, then must subscribe my channel. And who are already subscribed, from my heart I will say to thanks for all the persons, my all friends. If you need any help or anything else, description below my number, you can contact with me. I am not from India right now, so you can talk with me by WhatsApp. Any help, your friend is here, he will definitely help you. So thank you very much. Please watch this video until till end, so you can understand everything. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.